In our last class, we explored Judo, the gentle way that transforms opponents' energy into elegant techniques, fostering growth and harmony. In today's class, we embark on a journey through the captivating world of gymnastics. Gymnastics is a physical activity and sport that involves a combination of strength, flexibility, balance, coordination, and artistic expression. It encompasses a wide range of movements and routines performed on various apparatuses or the floor. Gymnastics can be practiced recreationally or competitively, and it has a rich history that dates back to ancient civilizations. In modern gymnastics, there are several disciplines. 1. Artistic gymnastics. Performers execute intricate routines on apparatuses like bars, beams, and floors, combining strength, flexibility, and elegance in flips, spins, and leaps. 2. Rhythmic gymnastics. Artistic and rhythmic dance combine as gymnasts use ribbons, hoops, and more to create mesmerizing routines synchronized to music. 3. Trampoline gymnastics. Athletes showcase aerial acrobatics on a spring-loaded trampoline, mastering flips and twists while maintaining control and precision. 4. Acrobatic gymnastics. Pairs or groups perform gravity-defying stunts and balances, highlighting teamwork, strength, and coordination in artistic, synchronized routines. 5. Aerobic gymnastics. Dynamic choreography blends continuous movement, strength, and flexibility in energetic group routines focused on cardiovascular fitness and artistic expression. 6. Parkour and freerunning. Urban athleticism combines jumps, flips, and vaults with creative movement, emphasizing efficient navigation of obstacles in an urban environment. Including flips, vaults, and other gymnastics-like maneuvers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.